Latest on the transfer news. Sanibona bafethu uvane lo. So namhlanje nginiphathele indaba zama transfers ku PSL. Kuthiwa lana Kaizer Chiefs look to beat Mamelodi Sundowns in the signing of Faisal Salum. Yabo umdlali lo bafethu esimazi odlalele iAzam le Tanzania. Umjida icontract yakhe izophela nje njengoba kuphela le season le akafuna ukurenewa ofuna ukuhamba kuAzam. Yabo amathima njengo Simba SC, amathima njengo Mamelodi Sundowns, amathima njengo Kaizer Chiefs bafuna ukumsayina lo mjida lo. But ke there was a meeting between lo mdlali lo noNabi. Yabo coach weKaizer Chiefs uNabi uhambile waye Tanzania last week eyobuka ama games akhona. Kube khona i-meeting between yena naye. Mamelodi Sundowns iyona ebiyilida kule race le yokumsayina lo mjidi because iyona bekhipha imali eningi. Yabo but ke iKaizer Chiefs it looks like iyona ezomwina lo mjidi lo because ekumsayineni kwakhe bazo include abonobani bazo include uNtwari. Nyamazi kuNtwari bafethu ulo goalkeeper lo wasayinwe iKaizer Chiefs usuka kweTS Galaxy wase Rwanda. Yabo asazi ke noma i-deal izoba concluded by next week or what, but ke iKaizer Chiefs are leading to sign this player. Kwezinye zeindaba iKaizer Chiefs have renewed their interest kumdlali owedlalela Orlando Pirates uEvanga. Nyamazi bafethu Evanga is that striker kuOrlando Pirates esingabanga naye success. Yabo Evanga ngokwami Evanga ungifanela noChivaviro. Yabo nyamazi kuChivaviro kweKaizer Chiefs, but ke Kaizer Chiefs it looks like bafuna ukumsayina uEvanga asazi noma i-deal ezowenzeka endle. But ke the young defender Uliye Matopolo is set to leave SuperSport United at end of June after 8 years with the club after his contract was not renewed with amaTsatsantsa. Yabo baningi abadlali sesibabonile beshiya amaTsatsantsa izinto azikho right lapha. I hope umjide ikhona eclub azoyithola kweBetway Premiership noma edlala kuNFD ezokwazi ukurenewa uthando lwakhe lebhola umjide. Yabo Uliye Matopolo kwabafethu useshilo SuperSport United. Umunye wabadlali la sinosicelo hlatshwayo ozohamba kweGolden Arrows. Yabo usicelo hlatshwayo bafethu is set to leave iGolden Arrows at the end of the season. Njengangishilo kuyindaba zayizolo uMakhehleni Makhawula is on a new deal with the Orlando Pirates uzothola i-new deal ezomhlalisa until June 2026. Indaba ezinhleke lezi for uMakhehleni Makhawula because umjida kule season udlale kahle kakhulu for Orlando Pirates. He was one of those players abebe instrumental ekwenzeni Orlando Pirates ibe kuma semi-finals eCAF Champions League, ibe ku 61 points, if kwi-final yeNedbank Cup kathathu in a row. Yabo ukuwina futhi ne-MTN need, so ube instrumental kakhulu umjida. It's a good thing Orlando Pirates izomnikeza enye i-deal until 2026 June. Gayton McKenzie was asked today about VAR. VAR bambuzile ngayo uGayton McKenzie waphendula wathi VAR ngokwakhe uyafuna ukuyiletha la eSouth Africa. Yabo ba prioritize impela ukuthi bayilethe VAR because izominimize ibias eqhamuka ku-ref. Lezo zinto lezi ziyadingakala because highlightile ukuthi ama sports njengo rugby la eSouth Africa ayisebenzisa izinto ama fixtures afana njengo VAR ba review. Yabo so ibhola lethu kuphela elingena VAR. There are many countries la eAfrica sene VAR, so iPSL nayo iyadinga ukuthi upgrade ithole iVAR. Yabo bambuza ukuthi iVAR ingakosta malini, washo ukuthi iVAR ingakosta around 90 million. Yabo 90 million kuyaxaya ngempela ukuthi imali engaka iqhamukaphi. VAR izobiza u90 million. Angazi ungangitshela ama comments ngokwakho ukuthi ufila kanjani ukuthi VAR izobiza u90 million. Yabo the cost of iVAR, but ke ngokuzwa kwami kuthiwa iVAR izonikezwa inkampani. Leyo nkampani leyo iyona ezosupply iVAR to iPSL. Yabo izo organize a sort of tender, if I'm not mistaken, if you know how izinto zisetshenziswa khona kuma tenders. Yabo kwezinye zeindaba uHugo Broos akaneme ngama journalist ala eSouth Africa. Yabo akaneme ama journalist because ushilo la wathi I feel that some journalists are linked with clubs. They are supporters of the club, and you know for supporters it's very difficult to accept that you don't take players from his team. Yabo kamafushe la uyasho ukuthi ama journalists amaningi la eSouth Africa aya support. Yabo asupport ama team awathandayo, and lawo ma team lawo and lawo ma journalists lawo mebona abadlali bengama team abasupporta bengathathwa. Those journalists tend to ask questions, why lo mdlali lo ethathiwe, why lo mdlali engathathwanga. Yabo akawathanda ama journalists kanjalo uHugo Broos. Yabo uyakhala ngempela ukuthi abantu ngifuna ukuyicacela. Yabo kulabantu la bathanda kakhulu ukukhuluma mithi abadlali beKaizer bengalandwanga. Yabo into ekanjalo because uchazile ukuthi the reason why some of these players don't call them yabo kube style of play sakhe siya esihluke siya sidinga abadlali abathize yabo abadlala let's say abadlali beKaizer Chiefs most of the time akabasebenzisi kakhulu because they don't play istyle lo football adlalayo yena yabo. Kaizer Chiefs are linked with umdlali odlalela iSimba SC number 10 jersey number 10 weSimba sazi noma iKaizer Chiefs izomsayina impela yini lo mdlali lo yabo. Uma ukhumbula ngishilo eqaleni kwevideo iKaizer Chiefs ucoach wayo uNabi ade le Tanzania yabo njengoba ade seTanzania nje kuningi ade yokubuka italent lakhona abadlali ongenzeka abasayina njengoba iwindi lizovulwa nje yabo. uNabi ufuna impela ukuqinisa ischeme sakhe njengoba izoqala isizini entsha yabo. Goalkeeper weKaizer Chiefs uBruce Vuma has been withdrawn kwisquad seBafana Bafana lesi eseCOSAFA Cup yabo. Goalkeeper uzoreplacewa uDarren Johnson. Angazi ukuthi kwenzakalani, maybe mhlambe iteam imanagement ebonile ukuthi okay kumele kuyo kwi-preseason early umjida kumele abe part of isquad asazi, but ke uBruce Vuma ngiyazi abe khona kwisquad seBafana Bafana esiyodlala kwiCOSAFA Cup. I don't know, ungangitshela ama comments uzizwa kanjani ngale indaba lezi, but for me I'm not happy. I'm not happy because kumele uyo represent iBafana Bafana, kumele uyo represent isquad. Let's say ubizwa isquad uyodlala kwi-World Cup yabo, ubungeke uzuthi uthi cha yabo. Leli thuba leli I feel like uBruce Vuma uyalilahla ngempela because mayase ayo represent iBafana Bafana enze kahle lapha, maybe Hugo Bros uzomconsider yabo, uzomconsider iBafana Bafana ya ku-AFCON. iBafana Bafana inothuba lokuya kwi-World Cup, but uma ulahla amathuba kanje as ugoalkeeper uBruce Vuma yabo isithenjwa phela seKaizer Chiefs yabo. iKaizer Chiefs right now uyena goalkeeper yabo ohamba phambili ngogoalkeeper beKaizer, so muzolahla ithubele kanje ngempela angiboni uzothola nje ithuba lokubizwa. Njengoba sengakhuluma uSinesipho Mbali waresigna kwiSkokhona United, use-appointiwe iChippa United, uzoba isporting director yeChippa United yabo. Uzo-oversee wonke ama-structure eclub, iclub yabadlali abasayinayo iclub, i-recruitment kahlahle izo-recruitwa iclub, umjida uzobe yibona yabo. Asazi iChippa United izinto ayijwayele ukuthi ocoach abaningi noma osporting director abaningi abajwayele ukuhlala isikhathi eside lapha yabo. Sothi siyabona usewucoach nje after mhlambe 2 months yabo. Asazi ke I hope umjida izinto izomhambela kahle. The teenage midfielder uSteven Mendes buya ngathi uzobuya kwiKaizer Chiefs after a season in Sweden yabo kwi-club ekuthiwa iHammarby. Kuyindaba eshisa kakhulu. uSipho Mbule noRivaldo Khosia abadlali labo bawu2 beBamaloti Sundowns. iSkokhona United besilone bani kuyindaba eshisayo about labadlali laba free agents bafethu bawu2 uSipho Mbule benoRivaldo Khosia abadlali laba bedlalela iMamelodi Sundowns, but right now bama free agents. Why bema free agents? iMamelodi Sundowns ayi-exercisanga i-option yo-extend ama-contracts yabo yabo. Njengoba benga-exercisanga bawu2 abajethi bama free agents, quality kuSipho Mbule ngifuna ukukhuluma kakhulu naye uRivaldo Khosia. Inkinga yabo bababili labadlali abanenkinga zabo yabo. uSipho Mbule siyazazi inkinga zakhe, asifuna ukukhuluma kakhulu, but ke uRivaldo Khosia inkinga yakhe ubulawa ama-injury kakhulu umjida. Asazi mapha ama-team azofika ngqongqoze ezicapheni zabo yabo, but ke Kaizer Chiefs iyona team ejwayelekile leyo ejwayele ukulanda abadlali abama-free agents yabo. I'm not saying Kaizer Chiefs is the retirement home, I'm not saying Kaizer Chiefs is team yama-free agents, but ke masubheke kwisquad sabo vele yabo in the last 10 years Kaizer Chiefs ibijwayele ukwenza leyo nto leyo. So akusiyona into engangithusa kakhulu mase ngibona oyedwa wabo noma ubawu2 ngibabone bedlalela iKaizer Chiefs le season entsha ezodlala. Asazi kuzowenzakalani, let's hope abajida bazothola ama-team right because ama-contract ama-CV yabo njalo no sithi ama-contract ama-CV yabo mahle kakhulu. uRivaldo Khosia maningi ama-cups asike wawina, ziningi icoco asekayiwina neSundowns, same as uSipho Mbule sekawawina icoco neSundowns, sekawawina icoco neSuperSport. So abajida bawu2 ama-quality yabo, ama-quality ngempela, and ngajabula kakhulu mhlambe Orlando Pirates izama ukumthola uRivaldo Khosia. I know umjida uyi-injury prone yakadlalela ama-games amaningi, sibe nequality nje ezohlala ebenchini yabo, because I know Pirates yo sign isisayine ebani uSihle Nduli nje isisayine uSihle Nduli bakhehleni Makaula sesithola icontract entsha. Umjida uRivaldo Khosia angabo lo mdlalo ozohlala ebenchini yabo, a-add equality kwibench lo Orlando Pirates. but bafethu ngangitshela nina ngokuwini labadlali labo bawu2 kumele bawodlalela yiphi team njoba ama-season nje i-season entsha izoqala imaphi ama-team amele bawajoyine yabo ngangitshela ama-comments over neSport bafethu ngiyabonga ngesupport eningi yona niqhubeni subscribe bafethu sifike ku 20k maybe 100k subscribers who knows.